as you can see, we have the engine back in the car. If you saw my last video, I had the engine in the stand and I was prepping to throw it in. They have a few more things to button up and ready to get this baby started. I've been posting pictures of the process just to give you guys a behind the scenes look on how things were going here in the garage. I've been a bit busy between the car, school, and work, so I haven't been able to document the process step by step. Anyway, so like I said, a few more things to button up. Over here, I had to relocate, you come closer. I had to relocate the map sensor with the high ram. They have a provision for it behind the intake. So I'm gonna be splicing the wires, running longer wires as well, that way. I have the connection for the map sensor. So received the Gates belt spec'd out by ProCharged. Gave them my crank pulley size along with what pulley I've been running on the ProCharged head unit. And the belt came in too long, so setting that back. And right now we're currently still waiting that. I'm gonna be pushing it out and giving it a good rinse down. I had to cut, as you can see, I had to cut the what is this, rain guard or the plastic pieces back here, so it created a whole bunch of dust. So we're gonna be cleaning that off. The belt should be here midweek and we're ready to get the car started, and that'll all. Washed out the engine bay, gave it a good wipe. Sucks that we're still waiting on that belt before we can start the car. Tried my best with this cut for the higher ram and it didn't come out too bad. Could be better, but it's all good. I am kind of a perfectionist, but I didn't want to spend too much time on it. Alright, so that's what we're working with. I'm gonna button a few stuff up. We still got the map sensor to button up, amongst other stuff. I still gotta vent the crankcase there. When the belt comes in mid this week, I'll be sure to post a startup video, a running video. Man, this thing looks killer. Can't wait to see how it sounds and start messing with the tune and dialing it in. The cut back here for the higher end could be better, but it's not too bad. Tons of room to do what I want to do. Got a couple fittings back there. I know my valley cover still says 427, even though it's a 441, but it's all good. I'll just tell people that it's a stock bottom end LS7. Hopefully they won't see the orange block. They'll have to know what they're looking at, right? Oh yeah. She's clean. I think sometime tomorrow I'll probably just go ahead and wipe down the rest of the car. I didn't realize how much of the higher ram would be visible from inside the cabin. Look at that. Alright, yo, so this is supposed to be just a quick update on how things are going here. Like I said, I'm still waiting on the belt and I'm gonna button a few things up. Alright, for those of you just joining, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.